Hi folks, it's Dawud Islam of the Elite Tigers Group here with my review of Shockwave Profits, which launched on the 14th of March at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. This new product from Bill Hugall will show you a new method of getting free traffic. It uses a non-email based method that is rarely used, I would say, and that will deliver you a batch of free traffic in a slightly different way to what you're used to. So if this sounds like it's something of interest, then listen on to this product review. There's Bill underneath there in his office, and we'll also go through the bonuses that you will get if you decide to pick this up using the official Elite Tigers Group link underneath, and we'll also have a look at the sales funnel before we wrap things up. So what is Shockwave Profits? Well, it's a method that Eric Kaji brought to the team and they then developed it. He personally made $125.78 in 24 hours with this secret Shockwave traffic source. You don't need an email list. You don't need to use paid traffic. No tech skills required. And the $125 a day system is very newbie friendly. Okay, so what does this method consist of? Well, it is you are going to be sending free traffic to a website that you will create in the members area. This is very easy to put together. And then that website will be giving people a free training course. So you'll attract them to the offer by the carrot of the free training course. And then to get access to that training course, they will be added to a chat bot list at ManyChat. So this is not an email list, it's a chatbot list, yeah? Now, I don't know if you've ever worked with chatbots before. It's suitable for two sorts of people, really. Firstly, people without any sort of list at all, so they don't have even the option at this stage of using an email list because they simply don't have one, and they want to make money whilst they're building their email list, yeah? So they want a method that will generate income rather than having to wait until they've got 1,000 on their list or whatever before they can start marketing and monetizing that, yeah? And the other thing is people that are looking for an engaged audience, because the way that chatbots work, obviously we're dealing with people here with this method mainly that are currently on social media, and then they're going to be given the option of going and getting these free courses, yeah? Now, the opt-in rate to the chatbot is much higher than it would be the opt-in rate for a typical email list, yeah, because for obvious reasons, it's in real time and chatbots are very interactive. So it's a very good method for engaging the audience. By the way, if any of you have heard of ManyChat, we're using the free version of it, so there isn't any additional cost to pay for ManyChat. It's not going to be dependent on upgrades or anything like that. This is a completely free method, yeah? So that is the source of the traffic in Shockwave Profits, which isn't revealed on the sales page, so I'm giving you that information having looked inside the members area. And what will you get if you decide to pick up Shockwave traffic from me today? Well, you will get the bonuses underneath, providing you click on any of these green buttons before this timer here clicks down to 0. Now, I wouldn't want you to miss out on these because I've chosen them carefully to complement Shockwave Profits. Now, by all means, go out there and have a look at what other people are offering as bonuses on Shockwave Profits, because don't forget, you can always come back to this page when you realize that my bonuses are way more useful and way more special than anything that anyone else is offering. All right. So what is Shockwave Profit's all about, what do you get with the method? You get a full A to Z overview of the method so you can hit the ground running as soon as today. How to set up your very first Shockwave Profits campaign. That's basically creating your little website that's offering the courses that you're going to drive traffic to. The exact steps to start getting results within 24 to 48 hours. Step-by-step training to ensure you stay on track and don't get lost. How to set up everything, every option and every step. No stones are left unturned. And done for you tools and resources to make the entire process 10 times easier for you. So, the first thing that we're going to show you is this product called Commission Blueprint. This is my first bonus, and it is a course that was run by Glyn Koski, who's actually got a launch himself today. Check out my review video for Express Funnels, which launched today as well, and Glyn, that is his product. Now, he launched this product, which is a traffic generation product called Commission Blueprint. One thing that the course here, Shockwave Profits, is a little bit light on is the actual way that you drive traffic to your website that you create. It does go into a degree into traffic generation methods, but not in a great deal of detail. So the products that I'm going to give you as your bonuses are going to be things that drive loads of traffic to that page and then into the chatbot. So to make this whole method work, the one thing that you do need is loads of traffic, and I don't think that is sufficiently explained in the product itself, but my bonuses will make sure that you overcome that. So this is a course in its own right. It was on sale for an evergreen price of $97, Commission Blueprint. I think it's still on sale. The next course I'm going to give you is this one here, Fuego Breakout. Now, this is a really detailed course on how to monetize cheaply Instagram, taught by Jono Armstrong. And this one was one of the turnaround moments that really led to Jono now becoming a super affiliate, when him and Brendan Mace put together this Fuego Breakout method. So it explains in a set of videos in great details how you go through setting all this up inside Instagram to a very special sales funnel page that will deliver multiple offers over and over again. It's a really sophisticated traffic generation method, and you can also use it to drive traffic to your page in this product and onto your chatbot. All right. The next tutorial is El Bandito. This is a slightly different method. So this is really to complement. This is another way of making money that I'm giving you. The El Bandito method is a way of getting guaranteed approval for evergreen affiliate offers that are proven to convert. Now, if any of you have tried affiliate marketing and you're a newbie, one of the things that you will realize is that it's very difficult in the early days to get approved to sell products. In fact, products that are just launching is very difficult indeed. Now, I do some trainings on how you can get around that, but with this product, that alleviates that, because in this product, you're going to find out how to sign up for over 1,000 evergreen affiliate offers with guaranteed permissions to promote, and ways that you can market them and sell them effectively. And the training for that is here. And you can see this is a really extensive course, including a 7-day money-making sequence, and it is excellent. And we're giving that away to you again, completely free. And finally, second last, how to explode your YouTube channel. As a course by Brendan Mace, valued at $197. Brendan went from sort of 0 to 40,000 on his YouTube channel. YouTube, apart from Google, is now the second most busy search engine on the planet, effectively. More people search for stuff in YouTube than anywhere else except Google. So if you can have stuff up on YouTube, that is an absolutely brilliant source of free traffic. And in this course, Brendan will show you how to grow your channel from 0 subscribers up to, you know, the levels that he's got, and also how to rank them and get your videos appearing in the top positions. And finally, for those of you, you know, that are doing this method of Shockwave because you don't currently have a list but you'd dearly like to have one, well, again, there's another course by Brendan Mace here, an in-depth strategy call on list building on steroids, where again he will show you how you can build a massive list, huge and fast, and discover how to double your commissions with a simple strategy. As I said, all of these you will only get them if you click on any of these green buttons before this timer clicks down to 0. Now you can see with the quality of these bonuses why I have to be strict on this. So when this clicks down to 0, these bonuses will have gone, and I wouldn't want you to miss out, because you can see that they are way more useful than anything else you're likely to get with Shockwave. Most of the other vendors will just be offering you the vendors bonuses. So let's just go and have a quick look at those on the sales page so we know what they are. Do watch the sales video from Bill. It's only about 3 minutes. You can pick this up, by the way, for just $7.97. That's all this is going to cost you at the moment. $7.97 for this method is very worthwhile investing in it. Yeah. So the vendors bonus, there are just 2 of them, I think, down here somewhere. There we go. Shockwave Profits Ultimate Free Traffic Method. We're going to show you how to tap into a highly unique free traffic source. So that is their one bit of traffic training that you do get with this. And then a Shockwave Profits Commission Booster, a step-by-step tutorial on how to effectively use a small amount of free traffic and convert it into these $125 a day paydays. Let's have a look at the funnel. So that is your front end. I've told you what the method is, so they've been a bit vague there, as these people are wont to do. No one likes to really say what is exactly in the product until you get into it, but that's what reviewers are here for, I guess. The first upsell is a completely done-for-you campaign template and case studies, so that you can replicate the exact same campaigns that Eric ran to bring in proven results. You can use the same promo text, the same promo video, and copy Eric's entire campaign, and of course promo the same product. So if you want, if you like a guaranteed result, $27 will get you that exact replica of that campaign. The next upsell is one that Bill often offers. 300 a day, super simple method, can be used side by side with the front end product. They did sell this for 47 recently. It was on one of their other upsells. It's only 17 now, so if you missed it, sorry if you did pay that for it last time, but there's now a chance to get it for 17. Third one is resale rights, 100% commissions for the entire funnel for 37. How to bank insane 5-figure days. Again, this is one that Bill and the team regularly offer. I know quite a lot of Elite Tigers have snapped it up. It's a good method, $27. They used to sell this for $297 as one of their high-end upsells about 6 months to a year ago. And also the simple buyers list building method. Again, lots of you pick this one up. $12, the money's in the list. This is another list building method, which I would say is separate and complementary to the one that you're going to get with Brendan as part of our bonus package. So that is it, folks. $7.97 with 30 days guarantee, money back. What have you really got to lose, folks? But it is a good method that works. It's unique. A lot of you won't have used this, what I would call pretty modern method, using chatbots. They've really only come into their own probably in the last 6 to 9 months, where this has really taken off. But it does give you a very high conversion rates, and people do engage with these bots, so it's well worth checking this out. And I think when you look at the value of bonuses that I've given you there, they are obviously worth way more than the $7.97 you're going to pay for the front end method. So I would argue that it's worth buying Shockwave Profits just to get my set of bonuses. So thanks very much as ever for watching and indeed listening to this review video. This has been Dawood Islam of the Elite Tigers Group with my review of Shockwave Profits.